Oh, he's alive.
Alright folks, near enough time, so we might as well start. Welcome to the chain. We'll show you how to make chain the old-fashioned way, starting off with a bar of mild steel. Wouldn't be mild steel back in the day, would have instead been wrought iron. If it was wrought iron, I'd be able to go from a straight bar right to this point, which is when you want to weld it, because it is ultimately a softer metal. So go through all these stages. Normally when we're at this point, you slot it through the previous link, close that up, forge weld it. Not going to do that on this occasion. I'm going to make a singular link, one that you can all pass around and handle, etc. once I've cooled it down. So what we want is a nice even heat down the bar of metal. That bit's really hot, that bit not so much. So we're going to swap it over and heat up the other end. Knock the heat up a bit. And there we go. And there we have it. We have a horseshoe or U shape in but a few hits. So, a male chain maker worked a 6-hour day, 6 days a week, for £1 a week, a good wage back in 1910. Seeing as you're working 6 to 8 hour days, this is 35 links of chain right here. How long do you think, given you do a 6 to 8 hour day, it took to forge this length of chain? Any ideas? This length of chain is as tall as I am if I were to stand it up. Any ideas?
A couple of hours.
Couple of hours, yeah. Less, this is 1 hour's work for a man. A man does 35 links an hour. Now women, of course, making the small stuff would do many more times links in the same time, because it is ultimately thinner metal. It's easy.